Hey guys, what's up? This is Dr. Rob with Physiologics Physical Therapy. Today I want to go over a little bit with you guys about how we can use angles to our advantage when building muscle. All right. So there's a few exercises that this really comes in handy with them. One of them right here is the tricep pushdown. Another one I want to go over with you is the bicep curl. So get both sides of the arm. So we'll start a little bit with the tricep pushdown here. Usually when people set this up, they'll just get right under the bar, under the actual part where the cam is, and they'll extend their elbow straight, which is fine. And you can load this up big time. You're gonna feel a lot of the weight right here, right? And that's because the moment arm, or the distance between your body and where you're pulling, is the longest. So right here, it's the longest, right? Because it's the furthest away from you. And as you end up here, you feel that full contraction, but it is kind of easy, whereas it's harder here, right? So how can we make this exercise a little bit more effective or change it up so we can confuse the muscle a little bit more? I like to have people stand further back at first. So when they're extending, it's gonna feel harder because that angle between your forearms and the rope is about 90 degrees. And anytime something's at 90 degrees, the most weight is being exerted on it, especially with a cable. So I'll have my clients start here. You can pound out some reps like that. You'll feel the weight being the hardest at full extension, which is where you want to feel it many times. And as the set gets harder and you're getting tired, you can move closer and it's going to move up the movement. So now the hardest part isn't here anymore because you're more locked out and the angle is smaller than 90 degrees. It's going to be more like this because now it's 90. So the hardest part's at a different part of the lift. So you can use it as a drop set technique, or you could possibly just use it as a way to change the exercise up in general. So you can get the most out of these movements when you're working on your own. So try that out if you want to get some extra bang for your buck with your tricep workouts.